Welcome back to the shop. This weekend we decided to take a different route. I'm woefully lacking in some storage space and I need to clean up some stuff. So back when I helped build houses, I used to use a bunch of closet-made shelving, and I have some squirreled away. And I said, well, shoot, this area right back here behind the lathe is just an eyesore. So the little mini lathe is there, and just some storage spaces. My old wood stove is there. I'm going to clean this area up and put some wire shelving in there. So I went and bought some standards and some little brackets. So hopefully it'll just tidy up this area, just make it look a little neater. The reason I like that closet-made shelving also is there's nothing on the floor, so you can sweep under it really good. You can keep the standards up off the floor, so there's nothing touching the floor, and you just clean it better. So my plan is today is just tear all this stuff off. I'll probably set up a time lapse to do that, because it's going to be a lot of cleaning and putting up. So, and then we'll do that. Another reason, I kind of want to block that window off a little bit, just a little bit. I like looking out while I'm working in here, and I don't want to block it off completely. So I think we'll put the shelves up there, and it'll kind of at least dampen that backlight a little bit. There's stuff in here that I want to film, and I'd like to stand right here most of the time. So I don't want to block it off completely, but I think the wire shelving will help break up all that bright light. Anyway, let's get to it. All right, I think we got it. Like I said, I've used that shelving all through my house building days, and really, really love it. And it goes up really, really quick, and it looks really, really good. It's clean. So anytime you need to clean it, you just, dust falls through it, nothing sticks to it too much. So I really like it. Matter of fact, I wouldn't mind having that whole wall in it. So I think it's going to break that window up enough where the bright light won't mess it up once I get the shelves filled. I flipped them over, at least the bottom four, with this guard up so stuff wouldn't have a tendency to slide off. I don't know if I'm going to like it or not, but we're going to try it like that. I seen my doctor's office has it like that, and all their stuff's in there, so when you reach for something, you don't pull the whole thing off the shelf. Now, the top shelf I didn't do like that, so I think I'm going to like it. I'm definitely going to replace all that on that wall the same way. It just looks clean. So let's see if we can get everything figured out and laid out, and see how much more I'm going to have to buy. We'll probably just do that as a year-round project. Just keep on straightening it up. So I know I'm a woodworker and I should use wooden shelves and all that, but that just looks so much cleaner. So anyway, it's hot as Hades here in North Carolina today. It's 90-something degrees and the humidity is, pushing swamp ass. So I think we're going to call it quits for today. Anyway, enjoy your weekend. See ya.